Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission. Also has a 2-inch factory lift, 33-inch tires as well as skid plates, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, rear camera, and over 300 horsepower. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the rear, we're going to have that same finish here with the speakers just on the bottom. A little smaller storage space here, but it's going to come equipped with your power windows as well. Of course, when you hop in, it's not a whole lot going on back here. Since it is a mid-size, you're going to have less room, less storage, but you're going to have that cup holder in the back as well as the ventilation and just a little storage compartment on the bottom there. You only got your backsliding mirror as well. You're going to have lights just up top, and that's pretty much what's all going on back here as well. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 2.7 liter turbo engine, as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission with a 2-inch factory lift, 33-inch Goodyear tires, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 4G Wi-Fi hotspot, OnStar services, Google Maps, and so much more. Thank you for watching. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.